Do you ever wonder why your bank account feels emptier than it should? You might be getting hit with hidden fees that quietly drain your money each year. And the worst part? Most of these fees are buried in the fine print, so you don't even realize they're there. But don't worry. In today's video, we're going to expose the top 5 hidden fees that are silently eating away at your hard-earned money. I'll show you exactly what they are and how to avoid them, so you can keep more of your cash where it belongs, in your pocket. Let's dive into these sneaky charges and take control of your finances. 1. Monthly maintenance fees, the silent fee that sneaks up. Have you ever been charged a monthly fee just for having a bank account? Monthly maintenance fees are one of the most common hidden charges, and they range from $5 to $25 a month. That's anywhere from $60 to $300 a year being taken out just for the privilege of keeping your account open. Banks justify this fee as a service charge, but it's really just a way to get more money from you while offering little in return. These fees are often buried in the fine print of your account terms, so many people don't even realize they're being charged until they see their balance slip away month after month. And often, it's easy to forget about the fee until it starts to add up at the end of the year. The good news? You can easily avoid this fee. Most banks offer ways to waive it. For example, maintaining a minimum balance, setting up a qualifying direct deposit, or switching to a no-fee online bank can save you from this unnecessary charge. If you're not using a bank that's offering these options, it might be time to look for one that does. Instead of letting this fee silently drain your account, take a few minutes to review your bank's policy. You might be surprised at how easy it is to get rid of this fee altogether. Also, keep an eye on your bank statements regularly to ensure these fees don't sneak up on you again. 2. Out-of-network ATM fees, the double hit. Ever found yourself in a hurry and used an ATM that wasn't from your bank? If so, you've probably faced the dreaded out-of-network ATM fee. But here's the kicker, you're hit with 2 charges. One is from the ATM owner, and the other is from your own bank. These charges can average around $4.86 per transaction. That's a lot to pay just to get cash, especially if you're withdrawing money more than once a month. And here's the worst part. This fee is often buried in your bank's terms and conditions. So while you're thinking you're just grabbing some cash, your bank is quietly making money off your convenience. But the cost doesn't end there. Many ATMs in unfamiliar areas also charge a foreign ATM fee, which can be added on top of the usual charges. This can really add up if you're traveling or live in an area with limited access to your bank's ATMs. The good news is that you can avoid these fees. Start by using your bank's mobile app to find in-network ATMs nearby, or choose a bank that offers ATM fee reimbursements. Some banks even cover the fees entirely if you use an ATM that's out of their network. It's an easy win, but you have to be aware of where you're withdrawing cash. 3. Overdraft and NSF fees, the costly mistake. Have you ever spent more money than you had in your account? Overdraft fees can hit you hard for this. Typically, you're looking at $35 per transaction, which adds up quickly. Not only that, but not sufficient funds, NSF fees happen when the bank rejects a payment, and yes, those can cost you $35 too. It might seem like just one mistake, but this one can keep you stuck in a cycle of fees. One overdraft can lead to another, and soon enough, your account balance is looking pretty bleak. Overdrafts are a silent wealth killer. They're easy to trigger and hard to avoid if you're not paying close attention. And the worst part is your bank could still cover the payment even though you don't have enough funds, leading to the additional overdraft charge. So, how do you avoid these fees? Simple. Set up low balance alerts to notify you before your account dips below a certain level. You can also link a backup savings account to cover any shortfalls without triggering an overdraft fee. Another option, opt for a bank that has eliminated overdraft and NSF fees altogether. These fees are avoidable with just a little planning and attention. These charges are often triggered by seemingly small mistakes, but when added up, they could cost you hundreds of dollars each year. Setting up a few preventative measures can save you from this frustration and keep your finances in check. 4. Inactivity or dormancy fees, the dormant account trap. Are you keeping accounts open that you don't use? If so, dormant account fees might be draining your account. Many banks charge a fee for accounts that are left inactive for several months, typically $5 to $25 a month, just for not using them. These fees can quietly add up, especially if you're not actively monitoring your old accounts. You might not notice it until months later when you're hit with a surprise deduction. or worse, when your account balance has been significantly reduced over time. So, why do banks do this? The main reason is that they want to motivate you to either close the account or start using it. If you're not moving money around, making withdrawals, or even logging into your account, banks consider it costing them money to keep it open. Banks have to maintain their infrastructure, systems, and security for each account they hold, and if an account is inactive, they see it as unnecessary overhead. Thus, they charge you a fee to encourage activity. This is a fee that often goes unnoticed, especially for accounts you may have forgotten about or don't use regularly. But don't panic. There are simple steps you can take to avoid these fees. First, you don't necessarily need to close all your old accounts right away. Instead, keep your accounts active by making a small transfer or purchase every few months. Even a minor deposit or a small purchase can prevent your account from being flagged as inactive. Alternatively, if an account is no longer useful to you, close it. It's a quick process that can save you from recurring charges. Take the time to check your account activity regularly. If you can't remember the last time you accessed an account, it's time for a review. Go through your old accounts and either activate them with a small transaction or close them entirely. By doing this, you'll eliminate the risk of those annoying fees draining your balance. It's a simple, proactive step that can save you money you didn't even know you were losing. 5. Foreign transaction fees, the hidden cost of traveling or shopping abroad. Are you planning a trip abroad or shopping from an international retailer? Well, brace yourself for foreign transaction fees. These fees can range from 1% to 3% on every purchase you make in another currency. So, if you buy something for $100 overseas, you might end up paying an extra $3 in fees just for converting your money. These fees are typically hidden within your bank's terms and conditions, and many people don't even realize they're paying them until they see the charges on their statement. If you travel or shop internationally frequently, these fees can really add up quickly. With the rise of online shopping and global e-commerce, these charges are becoming more common, especially when dealing with international retailers. So, how do you avoid this? The best way is to use a travel-friendly credit card or debit card that waives foreign transaction fees. Many travel-specific cards offer this benefit, saving you money while you're abroad. It's an easy fix that can make your overseas spending more affordable. Before you travel or shop internationally again, make sure to check if your card charges these fees. If it does, it might be time to get a card that offers better benefits and fewer hidden costs. Your wallet will thank you. There you have it, 5 hidden fees that drain your bank account every year. These sneaky charges can quietly suck away hundreds of dollars from your account each year, but now you know how to spot them and avoid them. If you found these tips helpful, don't let these fees sneak up on you again. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more actionable financial advice. We're here to help you take control of your money and stop those hidden fees from draining your account.